Boy, Roblox. Oh my goodness. What on God's green earth is going on here? I think it might have something to do with the demographic being 9 to 12 and cost and money and how much can they pay. The numbers look bad. When you look at the bookings guidance, that was pretty soft. Across the board, you're just not seeing anything that you can actually grab onto and say, well, at least that's a positive. I don't see anything. That's why the stock's down about 21% today, getting awfully close to those 52-week lows, Mark. I don't like that. They beat on the top. They beat on the bottom. They also lost money, and their guidance was weak. That's what it looks like when you do that.
When you think about it, if you're going to pinch a penny here or there, it sounds to me like a logical thing for parents that are giving the money, the real money, to put into digital funny money to buy in-game things on Roblox. That might be where you want to start considering peeling back your spend, right? And look, this company, explosive growth. Lots of folks have made a lot of money on this thing. I don't count it down and out, but I do see some further bearish headwinds ahead. I'm going to be continuing to watch if we have unusual in this name. I am not feeling too great about Roblox.